I think it does delay, yeah.
Just a little bit.
Devin, could you stand any further behind me?
What do you mean?
You really don't want your picture taken, do you?
No, I don't.
Just trot him, Kate.
I hate my picture being taken.
That was so good. What a good boy. Isn't he such a handsome horse, Devin?
Uh-huh.
Such a good boy. My father.
Reminds me he'd be just more like a trail horse, though.
Because he's so quiet?
Yeah, I mean, like, you don't get excited about anything. Like, he's just like,
He's just chill.
Yeah.
You're done, Lancey Pants. You are such a good boy.